Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be cleaning the air fryer, and of course if you followed my other videos then you know the air fryer that I own is the Power Air Fryer Oven Pro. Now I did have some concerns in some of my other communities that I am a part of, and people were concerned with the fact that the air fryer got so dirty and it looked like it was a pain to clean up. And furthermore, this video will definitely address those concerns as well. And I'm going to show you guys that to clean this air fryer is a piece of cake, and I don't ever want anybody on my channel to be discouraged from cooking a certain type of meal because you might feel like it'll get your air fryer too dirty. One of the qualities of this brand that I love is that the door is removable. Now this part here that I had a little trouble getting out, but the good thing is the door is removable. And so the mere fact that the door is removable, it just makes the cleanup process so easy. So this video is going to be very beneficial to other owners who own the same air fryer. If you do not own this air fryer, or maybe you were thinking about purchasing one, this video will be beneficial to you as well, because I'm going to show you here how easy it is to clean this unit. Now, for starters, I'm just going to go ahead and start by cleaning my drip tray, and I'm going to clean the airflow racks. And I'm cleaning this the same way I would if I were washing just a normal load of dishes. You just don't want to use anything that would be abrasive, and you want to make sure that you're using a mild dish detergent. So after you clean it, go ahead and rinse it off, and you want to dry each part with a drying towel. Now to clean the unit itself, make sure that you unplug it first. Here you see I have it plugged up, totally not thinking, but make sure that you always unplug it first, and you can simply just wash it down with the washcloth, and then you want to dry it. Now when you clean the interior of the unit, again, make sure that it is unplugged. You can use a washcloth and you just wipe out the interior. Now this washcloth that I'm using here, it was dipped in some soapy water. I did not use any bleach. Bleach was not necessary, but as you wash down the interior, those stains, they just melt right off. And so to clean the oven door, you want to do not immerse it into water. Do not hold it underneath running water. Do not soak it into water. Don't do none of that. You want to use your washcloth and just wipe that down really good. And the reason that you don't want to submerge it into water is because water will get inside of the door. Then you'll have to take it apart to get the water out. So if you can avoid it altogether, then that's your best bet. And so after you're done, now the last thing to do is just put everything back into the air fryer and you're good to go. So I recommend, as often as you can, you want to clean the air fryer just like you saw here. If you can clean it after every use, that will be good. But if you are not able to, as you can see, the stains that have set into my air fryer for a few days, they still were not hard to clean out. This video was by no means sponsored at all. I just wanted to show you guys because I'm going to be bringing you more air fryer recipes and I want you to cook with me. All right, so I'll catch you guys in my next video.